Hi, hi friends. Today we are going to discuss about the gas monitoring systems for the industrial applications with the safety measurements. So this project is we have submitted for IBM call for quotes. The abstract of this project is safety play a major roles in the today's world, and it is a necessary that good safety system are to be implemented in the place of educational or and work. These works modified the existing safety models installed in the industries and these systems to be used in the home and offices. The main objective of working of design microcontroller based toxic gas detecting and alerting systems. This is the main objectives, and the hazard gas like LPG, propane were sensed with the displayed and notify each and every second in the LED display. So if this exceed the normal level, then the alarm is generated immediately. The advantage of these automated detections and the alerting systems over the manual method is that it's offer a quick response time and accurate detections of an emergency, and it turns lead faster diffusions of the critical situations. The key words is that air pollution monitoring, gas sensors, the LCD screen shows the status. The systems put on the buzzer when the level of gas crosses the set limit. Thus, this system helps to keep the informing about gas leakage by providing danger position of the gas leakage via buzzer. In mean future, we added alert system using GSM and IoT through notifications in the web page also, and introductions of this. Now we have gone through different literature experience. Then we can see the ambient air quality of standards, normal standard method of measure also we have discussed over here. So for these projects, our main component are MQ gas sensors, Arduino boards, and power supply circuits. So now come to the block diagrams of our circuit. These are the block diagram of circuits. Now these are the semiconductor sensor for flammable gas, plastic or metals. Now you can see we are having different models and their target gases. So for LPG MQ30A, these are used. For propane also this model is used. Now here we can see the characteristic between the sensitivity of different gases. Now here this is the block diagram of Arduino which we have used for the programming purpose. At mega 328 internal architecture is used. Now here it figure shows the interface between the Arduino and gas sensor. In our project, gas sensor is coded and is used for the detection purpose of now come to the structure, come to the block diagram of power supply. So power supply consists of different block like AC units, transformer, bridge wave rectifier, low pass filters and regulators. So these are the block diagram of our power supply used, and these are the hex file we have used during the program of our microcontrollers. Now application is that it detects the various populated gas in the systems in any environment, domestic safety, and it can be for fossil fuel mines. Advantage is that we are easy to use, flexible and work in environments, and when expected outcome is that when the gas leakage is detected by the sensor, immediately it will be activate the buzzer and send the message to the user about the leakages. And auto cutoff systems of after the leakage is detected, uh, auto gas cutoff system will be set off and the gas supply. So these are the future advancements of the systems. uh, Thank you, thank you so much.